Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove battery from KODAK PIXPRO. And to do this we'll need to look on the bottom of our camera. Then there's this hatch and we need to pull it to the right, like that. Then there's the battery, it's right here, and we need to pull this yellow hatch to our own selves, and then you'll be able to release the battery. You can remove it just like that. Now if you want to insert it back, make sure that you first pull this yellow hatch again, and then simply slide it in and make sure that the hatch catches it like that. Now you can close the hatch. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.